Hi everyone and happy March. My name is Danielle Richardson and I work here at Pink Zebra Home developing this great fragrance that we have to offer. And I'm so excited for this fragrance that I'm going to present to you. This is what we call our Paisley's Pick, and it's a monthly exclusive fragrance only available for the month, this month, which is March, and then it never comes back. So it's very exclusive, very special, and I love this fragrance. It's called Spring Cleaning. I think it's perfect for this time of year, especially with the weather finally warming up. It's absolutely beautiful outside. The sun is shining. It just gets you in that mood to want to clean up your space a little bit and kickstart your year just to make sure you're clutter-free and ready to go. But I absolutely love this fragrance. If you see, the labels are always a little bit different because it incorporates elements that are within this fragrance. It's really fun just bringing this fragrance to life even more. This fragrance, you guys, is so light and airy. It has very, very slight, smooth floral notes in it, but it has a citrus lift to it that really just lightens and crisp and brightens this fragrance. A great combination of all these notes to make your spring cleaning fragrance. But I want to read to you Paisley's story. She writes these stories every month, and it is a little, her inspiration for creating this fragrance. It's kind of fun because it either puts you in that moment or maybe it makes you think of something, and that's what fragrance does. It totally just brings you back to a place or a fantasy, or maybe brings back, a memory or something like that. So this is Paisley's spring cleaning story. There is nothing quite like a super clean house. The sun is beaming and the weather is finally starting to warm up. I open up all the windows and turn on my favorite tunes as I conquer a weekend-long cleaning project. As I dance around the living room, fresh spring air swirls around, notes of citrus and blooming flowers awakening from the winter. Cleaning isn't so bad when you're accompanied by a warm, sunshiny spring day. Love, Paisley. And I could completely relate to this story because I'm just imagining myself. I definitely am the one to open up all the windows, blast the music. If you're gonna clean, why not have fun, But this is such a great fragrance to have around your house literally for all year. Who doesn't love just a fresh clean smelling home? So I want to show you a few ways that you can get this fragrance. Remember, it's exclusive for March only, so you only have this March to get it. So as a customer, you're able to purchase this in our jar. This is a 7 ounce jar of sprinkles. And then we have our bottle of soaks, which is the liquid format of our sprinkles. And your sprinkles you use in our simmer pots are simmering light. It melts. And then it just releases those amazing fragrances in the air. And then your soaks is the liquid format, like I said. You use these on any of our Just Add Soaks products. We have a plug-in wall diffuser that's fabulous. So many great items to use this. Also, there's so many other ways you can use soaks because it always comes with 2 different attachments. So you're able to use it as a spray atomizer, spray it in the air, on your carpets, in your shoes, you name it. You literally can do absolutely anything with this stuff. So those are the 2 ways as a customer you can get it. Also, in the month of March, if you host a party, you can qualify for this fabulous Host VIP box. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on this opportunity of getting this Host VIP box in your spring cleaning fragrance because it's so great. In your Host VIP box, you're going to get your jar of sprinkles and your bottle of soaks, and then 3 exclusive items that are only available in this box. You can, not only is this an exclusive fragrance, they're exclusive formats of the fragrance. So you have this fabulous lotion. I absolutely love this lotion. It's so moisturizing. It's shea butter, avocado oil, just so many vitamins, minerals, just makes you feel so moisturized but not sticky. Then you have our Super Clean soap, which is our antibacterial soap. Great addition for your kitchen, counter, in a hallway, bathroom, you name it. And then of course you have your exclusive Go cards, and these actually have 4 Go cards in them with these individual bags, which are so great because it allows you to use your soaks. You just squirt it into this bag, seal it up, and let it absorb into that paper. And then now you're able to fragrance on the go, or you could put this on a door handle in your closet. Such a fabulous way to use our soaks. So Those are all the fun ways to get your March Paisley's Pick spring cleaning. Do not miss out, you guys. It's such a great fragrance. Hope everyone is having such a great March. The weather's warming up. Can't wait to hear all your feedback on this spring cleaning fragrance, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.